Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English session. I'm Olyvia.
And I'm Duke. Yes. Today, we have a very interesting topic.
We are going to learn some fun English expressions with repeated words.
Wow, that sounds exciting. Let's start.
The first expression is neck to neck.
What does it mean?
It means two people or teams are equal in a competition. For example, the two runners are neck to neck in the race.
So, nobody is winning yet.
That's right. Next is face to face.
That sounds easy.
It means meeting someone in person, not online or on the phone. For example, I finally met my teacher face to face after months of online classes.
Oh, that is very clear.
Now let's learn room to room.
Moving from one room to another?
Exactly. For example, the little boy ran room to room playing hide and seek.
Perfect, I can imagine that.
Next expression, step by step.
I think it means slowly.
Yes, it means doing something gradually, in stages. For example, the teacher explained the lesson step by step so everyone could understand.
Step by step. Got it.
Another one is side by side.
Does it mean together?
Exactly, next to each other or working together. For example, the two friends walked side by side.
Nice. I can use this when talking about teamwork.
Now let's learn door to door.
Like visiting houses?
Yes. For example, the volunteers went door to door asking for donations.
That is very practical.
Next is back to back.
What does it mean?
It means happening one after another without pause. For example, the team won back-to-back matches last week.
Wow, that's impressive.
Another useful one is word for word.
Does it mean exactly the same words?
Yes. For example, he repeated the instructions word for word.
That is easy to remember.
Next expression, bit by bit.
I think it means slowly.
Yes, gradually or little by little. For example, she saved money bit by bit to buy a new phone.
Very useful for daily life.
Now, let's learn heart to heart.
Sounds emotional?
It is. It means an honest and emotional conversation. For example, we had a heart-to-heart talk about our feelings.
I love that. Sounds meaningful.
Next one is head-to-head.
Is it competition?
Yes, it's used for direct competition or confrontation. For example, the two companies are going head-to-head in the market.
So only one can win.
Yeah. Finally, we have shoulder to shoulder.
What does that mean?
It means together, united, or supporting each other. For example, the volunteers worked shoulder to shoulder to help the community.
I like that. English sound very expressive with these.
Let's quickly review today's expressions. Neck to neck, equal in competition.
Face to face, meeting in person.
Room to room, moving between rooms.
Step by step, gradually.
Side by side, together.
Door to door, visiting houses.
Back to back, one after another.
Word for word, exactly the same.
Bit by bit, little by little.
Heart to heart, honest conversation.
Head to head, direct competition.
Shoulder to shoulder, united or supporting. These expressions make English sound so natural and interesting.
Try using them in your daily English conversations.
Which expression did you like the most? And tell us in the comments.
Follow Easy English with Duke and Olyvia for more English tips and tricks.